How to Make Pepper Flakes by Carol Meyer from Country Road Greenhouses. The brilliant white flower of a pepper. When we look inside the flower, there is a pepper already forming. Throughout the summer, we watch our pepper grow. The peppers are ready for drying when they have changed to a brilliant red. Wear gloves to remove the pepper tops and seeds. Ensure your pepper shells are completely dry. Place pepper shells in a dehydrator. Every 2 hours, rotate the dehydrator shells while you check the crispness of the pepper shells. Place dried pepper shells into a mini chop. Pulse mini chop for desired pepper flake size. Store your pepper flakes in an airtight container.